support. Our premium tech support is available 24/7. Press 1 if you are calling for the first time, or press 2 if you are already a customer.
Thank you for calling my phone support. My name is Prerna. How can I help you?
Hello Trishna, I have a bit of an issue with my computer. It's got a bit of a pop-up virus protection thing saying that Windows has detected your computer is infected. Please call this number immediately for instant tech support.
Alright, if I understand you correctly, if I understand your concern correctly, you have a pop-up message on your screen. Is that correct?
Yes, this is correct.
Okay, not a problem. I'll definitely go ahead and assist you with the same. Can I make a note of your name first, please?
Yeah, Mike.
Mike, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, is it okay if I address you with your first name?
Yes, that's perfectly fine.
Okay, so Mike, what I want to know from you first is that since when have you been facing this problem?
About 2 minutes ago.
About 2 minutes ago, okay. And do you remember making any kind of software changes or downloading something right before this happened?
I did download Geldos hot stuff .mp4.exe. That's all I remember downloading.
Sorry, what did you download?
Girl does anal with the BBC .mp4.exe.
What exactly is it? Is it some kind of an application?
Yeah, it's porn. There's a porn video.
Okay, porn video. All right. Okay, so and what Windows are you using on your system?
I think it's Windows 7.
Windows 7. All right. And is this a laptop or a desktop?
It's a desktop.
Desktop. All right. All right, Mike. Do I have your permission to connect to your computer screen?
Yes,
so that
you do
I
have.
can go ahead and figure out the concern?
Yes, you have all my full permission.
All right. Thank you. So just give me a moment. All right.
Yep.
Just give me a moment, and I'll just provide you with the steps, and then we can go. I can go ahead and connect with your computer screen. Is that okay?
Yes, that's perfectly fine.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Mike, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, Mike. What I need to do is I would need you to. Do you see the Windows key on your keyboard? That would be.
Yes.
At the. Okay, so I want you to press the Windows key along with the letter R. R is in Romeo.
Yep.
And do you see
It's
a
a run
box
box.
where it says type a yeah? So it asks you to type a name of a program.
Yep.
All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to make that box blank and then type in www.support.me.
Yep. Support.me. Okay, it's popped up with. It's loading. Just give me a second. You gotta give me a minute. It's really slow, my internet today.
No worries.
It's not working on Internet Explorer. I'm just gonna try Mozilla Firefox.
Okay.
Let me just download Mozilla Firefox. I don't know why it doesn't want to work for Internet Explorer. It says this web page cannot be displayed.
Alright, no worries. So
I'm just downloading
just give me a
Mozilla
moment.
Firefox.
Alright, Mike, in that case, can you open one of your web browsers, maybe
Yep.
Internet Explorer or Google Chrome?
Yep.
And what I want you to type on the address bar is www.log.
Yep.
www.
Yep. www.
Okay, it's log me in together.
Log me in together.
Yeah, and then 123.com.
Okay.
And what do you see?
Hang on. It's giving me the same error. Hang on. Let me install a different internet thingy. Let me install a different browser. I'm gonna see if it'll work with Firefox.
All right. Okay,
Just give
Mike,
me a minute.
not a problem. Yes, certainly you can go ahead and do that as well.
Yep.
But let me also inform you the procedure. What we'll do is that once you've sorted out your internet connection, I'll go ahead and connect your screen, and then what I'll do is that I'll need to diagnose your computer and see what exactly the concern is.
Yeah, I've got it working.
Depending upon the concern, let me tell you that there would be a charge to fix this, since we are a paid technical service.
Yeah, that's
okay?
Fine. I've got it working. It's asking me for a 6-digit code.
Okay, it's asking you for a 6-digit code. Great. So if you can type in 409523.
Yep. Start download.
That's right. And then you need to hit on all the positive options that you get. Maybe okay or yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Yep, I'll do that for sure.
Alright.
Alright. It's saying connecting to a support representative will be with you shortly. Okay. You are chatting with Parina Ananda.
That's right. So just give me a moment while I just go ahead and connect with your computer screen.
Yep.
Just a moment. Do you see any other option to type in okay or yes?
Yeah.
Okay, please click on okay or yes.
All the positive options, yeah?
What options do you have?
Connecting. It's saying connecting.
Connecting. Alright. Just give me a moment.
Can you see my screen?
Just give me a moment, sir. Mike, just give me a moment.
Yeah, sure thing. And this is where she knew. She fucked up. Alright guys, so what we can see on our screen is we can see the Logmin Rescue tool, which you can see there in the dead center of the screen with the session ID. And my email is ABC, that's a great email. And then you can see how she's creating a new session. And you can see on the task manager, taskbar thing, we have the impact. I don't know what the impact is, as a Google extension Internet Explorer thingy. Then we can see an inbox. You can see a screen share. You can see a EOD Excel sheet and a TGS FLO Excel sheet. Then we see CEMS and Firefox. Then we see 2 documents. And then we see a Notepad LMI. I'm assuming the document 2 right in the background is a script, or where she'll write down all of the banking details I provide her with, or where she'll do all the copy and pasting from. And as you can tell, it's 2:25 AM for her, so she is working very early in the morning to scam people. Yeah, that's all I can say about her computer screen right now. She's trying to figure out why she can't connect to my computer, and she doesn't realise she's screen sharing. What a twat.
Alright, Mike, do you see any other positive response?
Not at the moment.
Does it say okay or allow access?
No.
No. Okay.
Oh wait, yes it does, it does.
Okay, so, alright. So, we are connected now. Can you see my cursor moving?
Yeah, I can see your computer as well.
Alright, Mike, let me inform you that in this remote control session, you would be the primary controller and I would be the secondary controller. And in case
Yep.
you want to disconnect the session, you can click on the red X that you see on the live chat window.
Yeah, I see your computer screen, by
Okay.
the way. Just thought I'd let you know. You let me see your computer screen.
Just give me a moment.
Yeah, okay. Alright, so can you see my computer?
Yes, I can see that. So do you see the, okay, do you see the red X on the live chat window?
Yes.
So you need to click on that and just give me a moment.
Oh, I wanted to see what you were doing.
Just give me a moment. I'm just trying to connect so that we can go ahead and proceed then.
Yep.
And Mike, if you don't mind, you sound really young to me. So how old are you?
I'm 20.
20. All right, not a problem. And if the call gets disconnected, is it okay if I can call you back on the same number?
Yes, that's perfectly fine.
Okay. And this is the red X that I was talking about. So in
Oh,
case you
right,
want to
yes.
disconnect the session, you can click on this.
Yes,
Okay.
okay. That's fine.
So can you show me the pop-up that was coming on your screen?
Well, I got rid of it because Internet Explorer didn't want to work, so I had to get it from Mozilla Firefox.
Okay, so you got rid of it. All right, not
Yes,
a problem.
I was
Just
scared.
give me a moment.
Okay.
All right, Mike, do I have a permission to run a diagnostic tool on your computer
Yes.
to check what exactly the concern is?
Yes, you do have my permission to run this diagnostic tool. That's perfectly fine.
All right, thank you so much. Right, Mike, please do not mind my silence while I'm trying to run the diagnostic tool on
Yeah,
your
that's
system.
perfectly fine.
Okay?
Yeah. So it's an
Okay,
Intel.
thank you.
It's an Intel. Hang on, it says compatible with Windows 10, Windows 7. Where's Windows 8?
Yes.
Wow, it's scanning a lot of stuff.
All right, Mike, what I see is that you have Windows XP on your computer.
Yes. It's the best operating
Okay.
system ever. Love it.
So the scan has started now, and
Oh. The 42 registry issues.
all right, Mike. So these are the scan results you can see in front of your system, which says that there are 42 registry issues to repair, and there is a lot of space that needs to be cleaned. That is 64.70 MB due to
What
a
does
lot of
MB stand
junk
for?
files on your computer. Sorry?
What does MB stand for?
Megabytes.
Oh, that's a lot. Is that like
Yes,
gigabytes?
so you have, yes, and this happens due to excessive use of internet, because whenever you try and access internet or try and download some websites which are not secure,
Yeah.
so you tend to, what happens is you tend to download a lot of infection on your computer, and along with that you this shows that you have a lot of junk files on your computer, and then
Yeah.
there are some 5 settings that need to be optimized by the technician, and there is
Yeah.
one disk that needs to be defragmented. Okay.
Oh, right. So it needs to be Okay. Yeah, that's fine. So how do we
All
repair
right.
these?
So this, yes. So this could be a possible concern uh, um, for the pop-up that you just got on your system,
Yeah.
and which is certainly not a good sign. So we need to go ahead and get this cleaned as soon as possible.
Oh, right.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. So what I'll do is, Mike, I would go ahead and assign you an online technician. Is that
Uh,
okay?
yes.
Okay, so I would go ahead and assign you an online technician. Can you see your notepad open on your screen now? Okay, yeah, so let me tell you about these online technicians. What these online technicians do is that these online technicians are Windows experts, and they
Do
would
they
go ahead
specify?
and
Are they good at when? Do they know Windows XP?
they certainly do. That is why I'm telling you, and that is why I informed you that you have Windows XP on your computer. So these online technicians, they would go ahead and use their refined tools on your system.
Mhm.
And the best part about these online technicians is that they work 24, 24 by 7, 365 days a week. So next time if you face a problem, you do not need to wait for the next day. Even if it's midnight or it's a national holiday, you can simply give these online technicians a call and they would go ahead and help you. All right?
Oh, right. Yeah.
Okay. So what I do is, since we need to fix these issues, I have a couple of options for you. What you
Yep.
can do is you can either take this to a local store, which would be a Geek Squad or a Best Buy. But what would happen there is that they would go ahead and keep your computer system for a few days, and plus there would not be any transparency because you would not be able to see what exactly are they doing on your computer, because
Yeah.
they would not be connected to you like I am connected to you.
Through the secure
Okay?
servers.
Sorry?
What, through a secure server?
I cannot get you, Mike. Can you just repeat what you just said?
So they don't connect through secure servers, the local store.
That's right. So you would have to physically drop your system there, and they would take around 5 to 6 days
Oh.
to fix your computer. And for a single incident, they would charge you around $300 to $400. Okay,
$300 to $400.
but exactly. So what I
Bloody
can do is
hell.
I can and the second option that you have is the option for an online technician, where I can go ahead and transfer your call to an online technicians. And again, with the online technicians, you have two options. Either you can go and get this issue fixed right now for a one-time fix, which would provide you with a 7 days of warranty for the same issue, or you can go
Yeah.
ahead and get yourself subscribed for a unlimited 1 year of fixes. So in case in the next coming 1 year you face any kind of problem, be it an email issue, a password reset, or a virus, or any other issue on your computer, you can just give them a call, and
Yeah.
you can give them a call maybe 1,000 times or whenever or every day, and they would go ahead and assist you. All right.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
let me tell you that for a 1 year unlimited support, there would be a one-time fee, and that would be for $199.95. Okay.
That's pretty cheap.
So
And you say that's for
would
lifetime?
you? Yeah, that's 1 year unlimited support. So in the next
Oh.
1 year, if you face any kind of software issues, you can give them a call. And moreover, we request you, in fact, to give them a call every 1 month so that you can get your computer serviced and cleaned,
Yeah.
so that you have no issues on your computer and your computer is absolutely clean. Okay?
Okay. So I think I'll go for that one then. That sounds like a good plan.
Right. So, what I'll do, Mike, is I'll open the subscription form for you.
Yep.
Okay, and you could go ahead and start filling that subscription form. Okay.
Yes.
All right, so just give me a moment. You can fill that form by yourself, and meanwhile what I'll do is that I'll go ahead and transfer this call to my payment specialist, who will go ahead and take the payment.
Okay, could you show me your screen again?
Sorry?
You know at the start you showed me your screen?
My screen?
Yeah, you showed me your screen at the start. Would you be able to do that again?
I can see your screen, in fact, and I would open the form on your screen.
Yeah, but can I fill it out on your screen? Because then I don't want the hackers to see my bank detail on my screen. Can I type it out on your screen? So I don't want the hackers to see the bank details.
That is exactly why I'm going to open it on your screen and not my screen, so that I
Yeah,
cannot
but I have
see
hackers on my computer, don't I? I thought I had
All right,
hackers on my
just give
computer.
me a moment. Okay, just give me a moment. I'll go ahead and transfer the call to my payment specialist.
But
and then he'll
can
go
I
and
fill the payment details on
further.
your screen?
Sure, just give me a moment.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your patience. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Hi, my name is Kaushik and I'm one of the flow supervisor. How are you?
I'm doing good. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see that.
Okay.
So,
Are we? How do I fill out the thing, the payment details?
what I'm doing is that I'm just going to open a membership form for you. You just need to go ahead and fill that out, okay?
Okay. Can I fill it out on your computer? Because I don't want the hackers to see the connection. I don't want the hackers to see my bank details on my computer. Because I thought I was infected with some viruses, and I don't want them to get my bank details. Can I fill out on your computer?
No one will be able to see that, sir. We need
Yeah,
to
but I
go
want to
ahead
be
and
extra
process the
safe. Because
payment.
if you're able to connect to my computer, could I connect yours and give you my bank details that way? Because I don't trust the hackers. There's always
No,
a way.
sir, that's not.
Are you
That's
sure?
not possible.
But
Yep.
it is possible. I got to see your computer screen at the start of this call because you accidentally
You
showed it
want
to
to
me.
see my computer screen, right?
Yes, so I can give you my bank details.
No problem, sir. No problem. So, as because it's a prank call, what I'll do is that I'll go ahead and disconnect the call. As
What do you mean
because
by prank
it's a
call?
prank call,
What do you mean?
as because you don't have issues on the computer, so that's
But I
what
do.
I mean.
But I do have
That's the
issues on the.
reason, sir. If you want, we can further with this.
Yes,
Right?
that's what I would like. I need the help because on my thing it says I have about 42 issues.
42 issues, right?
And it's got like 5 different settings that need to be optimized and about 64 megabytes of disk cleanup. That's what the my faster PC says.
All right. What I can see, sir, you have disconnected the remote from your
No, you disconnected the remote session.
end.
No, okay. Do we need to
So-
reconnect it? Do we need to reconnect the support?